Hello, so let's draw the plus sign. Now from here I'm going to draw on the top of this line and I will curve this one kind of like a smiley face, and from here it's straight, and then I will turn this one little bit down or almost here, doesn't matter, and it will be kind of like alphabet U. Now from this corner we are going to pull this one kind of tilted line, angle line, and I will do one big curvy line all the way over here. Now from this point I'm going to pull this one down, and this line I'm going to pull a little bit in. So this is the line, little bit above this line over here I'm going to turn this one kind of like alphabet U, and I will make this alphabet wider on the top over here. And this line from here I'm going to draw kind of like a sad face. Now this line I'm going to curve this one kind of like flat alphabet D over here, and then I will turn this one in. This is the tummy part. I will connect over here. So this was my guideline, and alphabet U is touching kind of like a plus sign over here. So from this point I'm going to start and I will do alphabet U curvy style. Now this line is coming here and I will pull this one little bit in here. So this is the line coming here, and I'm just thinking this will go here, so I will make a mark here, and this line also I will pull in. So I erase this line. From here I will pull this one slightly this way, so it will be like this one is going all the way here. Now I'm going to draw one here over here kind of like alphabet C or D, and one here. This one we will erase. Now this is the line on the top. From here I will do a smiley face over here, and then one ellipse shape a little bit this way. This is we are going to color, and from here and here we are going one curvy line. Here I am going to draw one circle. I will erase this line. And from here when I'm coming I will do kind of sad face over here. This is also a smiley face over here. This one is also a smiley. So I'm going to color this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, a little bit here, little bit here.